In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Shopify using YouTube. Starting an online business requires a lot of moving parts, and today we're focusing on combining the power of Shopify with YouTube to enhance your selling capabilities. Whether you're a veteran in online sales or just getting your feet wet, this guide will walk you through each step necessary to integrate YouTube into your Shopify store efficiently. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Shopify. On the homepage of Shopify, look for the login button. It's important to start here because you'll need to access your store's backend to add YouTube as a selling platform. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be prompted to enter your store's details. At this point, Shopify may present you with a field highlighted for your attention. It's crucial to fill out this information accurately to proceed. This is usually a security measure to ensure that only authorized users are accessing the store's admin panel. Next, Shopify will ask you to continue with your email. This option allows you to sign in using the email address associated with your Shopify account. It's a straightforward process. Just click on Continue with Email and fill in your credentials. Many Shopify users appreciate the option to log in through Google for a more seamless sign-in experience. If your Shopify account is linked to a Google account, you'll see an option to choose an account to continue with. Selecting your account will redirect you back to Shopify, seamlessly logging you in. Once you're logged in, you'll be navigated to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where the magic happens. To start selling on Shopify using YouTube, you'll want to find the section titled My Store, followed by Home, which can easily be accessed from the Shopify dashboard. Now it's time to get down to business. In the Shopify search bar, type in YouTube. This action is going to bring up related results that link YouTube with your Shopify store, including apps and integrations designed to bridge the gap between your YouTube content and your products. As you sift through your search results, you'll want to look for the Google and YouTube app. This app is specially designed to connect your Shopify store with YouTube, enabling you to showcase your products directly on your YouTube channel. Click on Google and YouTube to learn more about what this app offers and how it can benefit your business. When you're ready and you've familiarized yourself with the features and benefits, the next step is to install the app. Look for the Install button. Clicking this button will initiate the installation process of integrating YouTube with your Shopify store. It's a critical step in making your products available directly through your YouTube content. After clicking Install, you'll be prompted to authorize the installation. This is a standard security measure to ensure you're aware of the app accessing certain information from your Shopify store. Go ahead and confirm the installation by clicking on Install again at this prompt. With the app successfully installed, you've just unlocked a powerful tool for your online store. Your Shopify products can now be seamlessly integrated into your YouTube channel, providing an effortless transition for viewers to become customers. This strategy not only enhances the shopping experience for your audience, but also leverages your YouTube content as a direct sales channel. Remember, the success of selling on Shopify using YouTube hinges on strategic content creation and aligning your videos with the products you're aiming to sell. Ensure your YouTube content is engaging, informative, and directly correlates with the products featured on your Shopify store. This approach will maximize visibility and sales potential. Here are a couple of extra tips to make the most out of your Shopify and YouTube integration. First, regularly review the analytics both on Shopify and YouTube to understand your audience better and tweak your strategy as needed. Second, keep your content fresh and consistent to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. By following these steps and recommendations, you're well on your way to harnessing the power of Shopify and YouTube, driving more sales and growing your online business. Remember, success in e-commerce often requires thinking outside the box and utilizing all available channels to reach your target audience effectively. And with today's guide, you're equipped to do just that. Happy selling!